maybe slept an hour.
Oh no.
Not so bad.
Red sandstone it fell. Right smack on top.
Oh, that's cute. So cute. Wait, did you make this? Did you make this? Shut up.
Oh,
Yeah.
hop on into the stagecoach.
I'm just trying to figure out how to time.
What's up, fiends? Bye, guys. We'll take care of Dad. What's up, dude? What do you got? Fireball? Go, juice. Go, juice. Ronas.
Well, today's the day, eh, Josh? Today is the day. Garrett, where are my clothes?
Linden boy.
Unreal day. Unreal day.
Okay, John and Carley, welcome to the rest of your life. Best night of your evening. Best night of your evening. You choked on your words.
Best night of your life.
I could be the twist, the one to make you stop. The icing on your cake, the cherry on the top. It's heaven in my heart, and we could find you some space.
You look gorgeous.
So good.
Holy smoke. This is happening.
I know. Hi. You see everything. Oh, this is so cute. Oh no, look what I did.
Oh, you look so good, man.
Thank you. You need to marry me. Does it feel real?
No,
I know.
it's crazy. You love
I
it?
like it.
I love it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love it. It looks so
What did you
good.
think it was gonna be? Oh, Sarah got me this.
Oh,
A
nice.
little K. I know, isn't it cute?
Cute.
Yeah.
Oh, we got some good family and friends.
We have amazing family friends.
Yeah.
Oh no, now I'm gonna cry again.
I love you.
You did good. Oh, just took a couple minutes.
Oh, I love you.
Quiet intimately, and maybe one night could turn into three. Well, I'm down to see, 'cause I think it's so easy to fall in love. Oh no.
How you doing? You good?
Yeah, we do. When the night has come and the land is
Just going straight up.
and the moon
No.
is the only light we'll see. No, I won't be afraid. Oh, I won't
Thanks for being an awesome.
be afraid. Just as long as you stand.
Does not go well with Fireball. Cheers. Cheers, buddy. Yeah. Two dads. Yeah, there you go.
Behind the scenes of the wedding.
2 minutes out.
2 minutes out. Are you excited?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, me too.
So excited.
John and Teresa.
I promise to stand beside you through every challenge, every adventure, and every unknown.
I promise to build a future with you that we are proud of. A home filled with family, dogs, love, and laughter.
I promise to listen with patience, speak with kindness, support your dreams, and respect you always.
And I promise to keep holding your hand on your morning walks, no matter where they take us.
I choose you today, tomorrow, and every adventure is a beautiful moment. I love you.
I now pronounce you husband and wife.
Still strong. said goodbye. Now I'm back and not ashamed to cry. Ooh, baby, here I am. I'm yours. Take what it's giving you. So far gone on your own. But you could get along. You can try to be strong, but you'll never be strong. 'Cause you're a rich girl and you're gone too far. 'Cause you know it don't matter anyway.
It was awesome. Thanks so much for putting on such a lovely wedding.
Probably one of the best, most beautiful weddings I've ever been to. I'm not just saying that, just look around. Look at this weather, look at these people. It's amazing. Congratulations.
Carley and John, you guys fat ballers up there. Oh my god, I'm crying.
Hi! The wedding was beautiful. Hi, John and Carley, all the best.
To hurt others when you can't feel pain. And don't you know that a love can't grow? 'Cause it's too much to give. 'Cause you'd rather live for the thrill of it all. Oh, you're a rich girl and you're gone too far. 'Cause you know it don't matter anyway. And you can rely on the old man's money. You can rely on the old man's money. It's a bitch girl and it's gone too far. 'Cause you know it don't matter anyway. Yeah.
Gentlemen, we got our eye in the sky. I'm hearing for the first time. Yep, it's coming in.
Ladies and gentlemen, for the first time, Mr. and Mrs. Kretschmeyer.
Did I tell you, baby, you are the joy of my life? First time that I saw you, you took my breath away. Might not get to heaven, but I walked with the angels that day. She takes me by the hand. I am the luckiest man alive.
Okay, you ready to roll? We hope it goes without saying that we are incredibly pleased to have John as our new son-in-law.
It was like, yeah, we fell in love with you, and we were going then, man, I hope this works out. Because
I should mention though, Carley, that John and I love having you around and have never seen you as a third wheel.
Tammy and Roy, thanks for raising like the best daughter ever. Someone I get to love so much.
We were victims of the night, the chemical
here is a perspective of the wedding from Rose. Carly and John are watching this. You guys had a lit wedding. Yeah, so this is probably the funnest wedding I've ever been at.